Hi everyone, this is Laurie. I'm going to show you how a student can get into a Zoom. So the only thing you really need to get into a Zoom is a link. You'll get a link from the teacher and it will have WCCUSD.zoom.us in the link. There will also be a bunch of numbers at the end. It might be pretty long, but that's all you really need to get into a Zoom meeting. So that Zoom meeting link might be shared in any number of ways. It could be as a link on a Google Doc. It could be as a link in a Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you what it looks like from a Google Classroom. But basically, anytime you have the link, you can get into the Zoom. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this link here. It might look like this. All right, where it just says classroom session link or something like that, and there's a link there. It's underlined, so you know it's a link. Or it could look like this, launch meeting for Zoom. Either way, both of them will work. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. And it's really important when you come to the screen that you do not click on Add Zoom to Chrome. We're not going to do that. Instead, you want to click on the blue words below that say Join from your browser. So I'm going to go ahead and click there. And what opens up is another screen that's asking me if I want to join the meeting. I'm going to put in my name and I'm going to check here that I'm not a robot. I'm going to click on join. If I'm trying to join before the meeting has started, this is what it will look like. So I'm going to go ahead and close this tab because it's not time yet for the meeting. Now I know that the meeting has opened, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the link again. And again, I'm going to click on join from my browser. I'm going to put in my name. I'm going to put a check in the box that I'm not a robot. And I'm going to join. This is a waiting room. I have to wait for the host to let me in. Now it depends on the teacher. Some of them will let students in as they come. Some of them will wait and let all the students come in at once. Once I'm in the meeting, I can go ahead and click here, bottom left-hand corner, to start my video if I want to show my face. And then on Join Audio, I'm going to click here and click on Join Audio by Computer. And I'm going to allow it to use my microphone. There are a few things here that students can use. One is if they click on participants, they'll see a whole list of participants, and this is actually where in the participants window they will raise their hand if they have a question. The teacher will see that. They can also answer to a yes or no question if the teacher asks and ask them to use the participants window in order to answer. To close that window up, they just click on participants again. And here's where they would ask a question in the chat. They would type their message here, press enter, and it goes to everyone. Again, I can close that by clicking on chat. I can share the screen if my teacher asks me to and gives me permission. When the meeting is over, the teacher will probably just close the entire meeting down. And if not, I can go ahead and click on leave and then click leave meeting again.